Best Yoga, your path to wellness harmony. What is yoga? Your ultimate guide to holistic well-being. Yoga is not just exercise, it's a lifestyle that unites mind, body, and soul. Through mindful movements, breathing techniques, and meditation, yoga helps you achieve balance, strength, and inner peace. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced practitioner, yoga adapts to your needs, making wellness accessible to everyone. Why choose yoga? The benefits are endless: boosts flexibility, strength, say goodbye to stiffness, reduces stress, anxiety, calm your mind in a chaotic world, improves posture balance, stand tall and confident, enhances mental clarity, focus, sharpen your mind. Promotes better sleep, relaxation, wake up refreshed, supports heart health, immunity, a healthier you starts here. Who can do yoga? Everyone can do yoga. Yoga is for all ages, fitness levels, and lifestyles. Whether you're a busy professional, a senior citizen, a student, or a stay-at-home parent, there's a yoga practice perfect for you. For which ages? From kids, 5 years, to seniors, 70 years. Yoga is adaptable. Kids, teens, improves focus and flexibility. Adults, manages stress and enhances fitness. Seniors, gentle movements for joint health and vitality. Different types of yoga. Explore these popular styles. Hatha yoga. Perfect for beginners, slow-paced. Foundational poses. Vinyasa yoga. Flowing movements synchronized with breath. Chair yoga. Ideal for limited mobility or office workers. Restorative yoga. Deep relaxation with supported poses. Mantra yoga. Harness the power of sound and vibration. Exclusive yoga ebooks. Your ultimate guides.
Dive deeper with our curated ebooks: Radiant Mastery, Yoga for Mature Age, tailored for seniors, gentle yet effective poses to maintain vitality and mobility. Chair Yoga Exercise for Beginners bundle. Perfect for those with limited mobility or desk jobs. Stay active without strain. Massive Yoga Pack, Unrestricted PLR. A treasure trove of yoga resources. Modify, share, and master your practice. Mantra books. Unlock the power of sacred sounds for meditation and healing. Yoga Foundations, a beginner's guide. Start strong. Step-by-step instructions for new yogis. 200 ebooks mega collection. The ultimate library for yoga enthusiasts. Poses, philosophy, and more. Explore more. Ready to transform your life with yoga? Check the links in the video description to discover the best practices for your age and level. Whether you're 15 or 85, there's a yoga journey waiting for you. Start today, breathe, stretch, and shine with Best Yoga.